Assalamu alaikum students. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am your chemistry teacher. Today the topic is about Unit 6 solutions. This unit start in your book on page number 152. We can define a solution as a homogeneous mixture of two or more non-reacting substances is called solution. For example, brine solution and sugar solution. A brine solution contains sodium chloride and water. Here, sodium chloride is a solute and water is a solvent. And the other sugar solution, the sugar which is usually a sucrose and water is a solvent. So when we dissolve sugar which is taken as a solute and a solvent which is water, so we call it a sugar solution. In the definition of a solution, I mentioned homogeneous mixture. So what is a homogeneous mixture? So we can define a homogeneous mixture as the type of a mixture in which it has uniform composition throughout its mass. It means that if we define a solution, so a solution contains solute and solvent. The solute which are dissolved in the solvent should have overall a uniform composition. Like a brine solution, when sodium chloride is dissolved in water, so the resultant mixture, we cannot see sodium chloride in it if it is properly dissolved in it. So if we cannot see the particles in it, so we can call it a solution. And the other thing is that these two components, which is sodium chloride and water and brine solution, must not react with each other. So if they do not react with each other, so the combination is basically physical, so we can call it that it is a homogeneous mixture and generally known as a solution. When you look at the diagram, here we have a solvent in a beaker and a solute. So when we put this solute and the solvent which is in the beaker, so if it is dissolved in the solvent properly and if we cannot see any particle in it, so we can call it the resulting solution. If it contains particles and we can see it, so we cannot call it a solution. Some of the basic terms which are used in this chapter related to solution is solute, solvent, aqueous solution. So a solution is made up of two components, solute and solvent. So what is a solute? We can define a solute as the component of solution which is present in smaller amount in a solution, and a solvent, the component of a solution which is present in larger amount in a solution. For example, if we have sodium chloride solution, so sodium chloride is in a little amount and water which is usually taken in larger amount. So when this little amount of sodium chloride is put in the larger amount of water, so this sodium chloride dissolved in that water, so the resulting solution is a brine solution. Another term that is used is binary solution. We can define binary solution as a solution which is made of only two components. For example, in brine solution we have only two components, sodium chloride and water. So when sodium chloride is dissolved in water, the sodium chloride is only one component and the other component is water. So sodium chloride is taken as solute and water is taken as solvent. So overall the solution has only two components, sodium chloride and water. So it is called binary solution. As the term binary already show that binary means two, so the solution must have two components. Another term related to solution is aqueous solution. Aqua mean water, so those solution in which water is used as a solvent, so it is called, or that solutions are known as aqueous solutions. The given examples are salt and water, sugar and water. You already know that water is a universal solvent. It can dissolve larger number of ionic and polar covalent substances. For example, sodium chloride is an ionic substance, but if you take a glucose which is polar covalent substance, so glucose can be also dissolved in water. Some examples of solutions are given as soft drinks, alloys, air. In soft drinks, which are usually carbonated water, the water is taken as a solvent and other components such as sugar, carbon dioxide, flavors, etc. All of these are solutes. So these solutes in water make a solution of a soft drinks. Another example is alloys. So alloys are basically the mixture of two metals. Here an example of alloys are brass. So zinc is a solute and copper is a solvent. Another example is air. Air is a mixture of many gases. Here nitrogen gas and air is present in 78%. Oxygen is 21%. Other gases like carbon dioxide, helium, neon, argon, etc. are also present. So oxygen is in little amount and nitrogen is present in larger amount. So oxygen is a solute and nitrogen gas is a solvent here. So we have a mixture of air.